Oh yes, mate. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so nice. It's like my dreams have just come true. Legitimately, they've all just come true immediately. No input lag with my dreams coming true there. I forgot to put in my fucking earplugs, mate. Could you believe it if I told you I forgot them? Could you really? I don't believe it. It's unbelievable that I forgot it. Oh. Let's put the helmet down. What's up? What's up, everybody? Oh my god, I have big news. Are you ready for this? So the news is the DJI Mic Mini. Mic Mini! I've been praying for this. I've been praying for this for so long, for so many years. Well, it's been a couple months, but it felt like years. Because guess what? Because before this, I was using the DJI Mic 2. All right, I was using the DJI Mic 2, and that shit's massive. And when it's up in my helmet, I'm gonna be honest, it's not the most comfortable thing in the entire universe, you know? So you best believe how happy I am when the DJI Mic Mini got released. I was really hoping for the DJI Mic 3 to get released. I was really hoping that the DJI Mic 3 was gonna get announced soon, and that as part of the DJI Mic 3 they were gonna shrink it just a little bit, so that when it was in my helmet, it wasn't knocking my jaw all around, all over the place. You know, I was really hoping for it. And then guess what got announced? The DJI Mic Mini, and I just about creamed when I heard that shit, mate. Wow, DJI Mic Mini, and it's so nice. I just finally got it because in the United Kingdom we get everything late. The cunts over there in the US and shit, and everyone else gets it early, but the United Kingdom we get it late. So I only just got it a couple days ago, but it's arrived. The Mic Mini, and oh, you don't understand. You don't understand how nice it is up in my helmet, how nice it feels to not have something absolutely ginormous just pressing up against your mouth. It is so much smaller, so much nicer on my mouth, on my jaw. Oh wow. It's just a massive improvement. If anyone's thinking about getting the Mic Mini, get it! Get it! It's so good! It's so good. Oh my wow. So yeah, it's I say a great investment. Like I did not pay for it. It was a Christmas present, so a late Christmas present because obviously it was pre-ordered and all that shit, right? So yeah, I'm just feeling good about that, man. Shoo! But we're gonna see how the audio is, because my first time recording with the DJI Mic Mini. I don't know how the audio is gonna be. I'm hoping it's gonna be absolutely fantastic. But we'll see. We'll find out. And it was also I'm about to reveal an absolute fucking tragedy to you. And if you are crying after this story, I wouldn't blame you, because it is so sad. It is really sad. So basically, I was installing a firmware update on my Osmo Action 4, my action camera, right? I was installing a firmware update on it, and basically, after the firmware update happened, the whole camera settings, because I have camera profiles for daytime, for nighttime, they just got wiped. Hold on, I'm going to the left here. They just got wiped away, right? They're gone. They're gone. I have to redo them. You know how long that took me? It was like 20 minutes. 20 minutes, man. And so I had to redo them. I pretty much remember my daytime settings, but my nighttime settings I don't remember. And I had it locked, mate. I had it locked in. But now, I redid them when I was at work. I redid them, so we're gonna see. But this is a test to see how they are. To be fair though, I've never ridden when it's this dark. Like, this is extra dark. There's literally just no light. Like, I can't fucking see anything. How the shit are you going to be able to see something? Right? So, yeah, I don't know how this video is going to perform, whether it's even going to be a video. Again, if you're seeing this, it's obviously a video. Like, let's be honest. If we're being real with each other, if you're seeing it, this is clearly a video. But I don't know. I think it might be too dark. It might look kind of bad. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on, but something is going on. I think it's, oh, you know what I think it is? It's the shadow of my camera. No, it doesn't make any sense. Shadow. What's going on? I feel like there's something wrong with my face, with my eyesight. But I don't know what. Alright, let's just go forward. Let's just get home. Everything's gonna be okay. Don't worry about it. Everything's gonna be fine. By the way, you see that speed down there? It's kilometers an hour. Don't know why it says miles per hour. It's not. It's kilometers an hour. Bitch, it's kilometers an hour. I think it might be like a bit of a glitch with the I think it might be a little bit of a glitch with the bike, because I can assure you it's, oh, it smells like fish over here. What the fuck? Get your wife! I'm joking, that's rude. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's kilometers an hour. So if you see me going above the speed limit, I'm not. I'm just not. It's kilometers an hour, broski. Calm yourself down. But to be honest though, it's been a while since I've done a motovlog, because it's been, guess what it's been? Freezing, because it's December. It's been freezing, literally. It's been freezing temperatures. It's been below 0 degrees. And I'm gonna be honest, right? I don't think you want to see a video of me just crying. Of me crying the whole time, because that's what happens when it's cold. I'm just crying. I don't have heated grips, my friend. I don't have them. And my gloves, I don't know what to tell you, man. They're not that warm. If it's, my hands are okay right now, but like if it's below 4 degrees, I'm fucked. And not in the good way either. Alright, in the bad way. I need to, oh my god, the wind's fucked. Oh, the truck, it's about to fuck me. Oh my gosh. The wind is quite bad today, apparently. But it's really bad when you go by trucks. When there's crosswind and you go by trucks, the wind evaporates and then boom, hits you again. It tricks you, man. It tricks you. You can't be trusting that shit. I'm not trusting it. You shouldn't be trusting it either, man. I'm just saying. Yeah, so these settings, we're gonna see how they are. I don't know if they're gonna be good or not. I might not use this video. If the settings are only a little bit bad, I'm gonna use the video. If the mic's only a little bit bad, I'm gonna use the video. Anyway, it doesn't need to be that good, you know. This is just a little tester to see what's happening, you know, in the world. So we'll see how the settings are. Put down my visor again, because that shit's cool. Yeah. Happening, huh? You succeeded yet? Huh? You have a job? You have a new job yet, bitch? I don't know. Maybe. I hope so. Fingers crossed for both of us. You have a new fucking job, mate. Oh, stop. Joking. I was never surprised. You think I'm retarded? Oh, there's a guy behind me. What's he gonna do? He's scaring me. The guy behind me is really scary. I don't have mirrors, as you can see. I don't have any fucking mirrors. Who needs mirrors, though? Am I right? I'm right. Disagree with me, all right? This motherfucker up top here is going really slowly, actually, dude. Why is he going that slowly? The guy at the front of the queue. Bro, go faster, dude. What's wrong with you? I don't understand. I would overtake him, but that's very dangerous. Woo! Yeah, buddy. We're gonna slow down because there's a guy ahead of us. Alright, I'm not trying to crash into anybody. I'm not that fucking crazy, dude. But we are gonna overtake this guy down the hill a little bit. No cars coming. Let's do it. Oh my god, I felt like the bike slipped so many times during that. Oh, can't see anything, Oh, yeah, there we go. But yeah, I'm gonna say bye now because there's nothing to see. You can't see anything, so that's literally what I mean by that. But I appreciate you watching, and if you're not watching this, then it means that the video wasn't up. So if you're not watching this, then fuck you. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, dude. Just do it. I don't know. I don't even want you to. I want you to want to do it. I don't want you to. I want you to want to do it, okay? Anyway, kisses and hugs and much love. I'll see ya in the next video! Damn, son, that was loud as hell, and that was kind of annoying. A little bit annoying, yeah, for sure.